Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about this flight mode setting, how to on in our Samsung phone. Friends, you want to on your flight mode in your Samsung phone, so you can on your flight mode. And friends, now let's see how to on flight mode in our Samsung phone guys. Friends, you want to on flight mode, you can on in your Samsung phone. Open your phone setting friends, and friends you can see this type of setting in your Samsung mobile. So friends, you will have to click on guys your phone connection setting guys, tap here. Friends, you can see your flight mode setting friends, tap here. Friends, you want to on, so you can on from here. After on guys, you cannot use guys your pipe like your phone mobile data network setting guys, you cannot use guys your calling setting guys. So as you can use guys your offline games and which movies and any songs you have downloaded you can use only after on mobile network guys. So like that guys, you can on your flight mode in your Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching.